Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Poonam. So today in this video you are going to learn about three words. Those are is, am and are. Friends, these three words are very important in English language. And if you are learning English, so you should know how to use these three words correctly in spoken English. So I will tell you in detail and I will also make you understand with some examples so that you can also make correct sentences and you can speak English fluently and confidently without stucking. So before going further, let me tell you some basic things. The first is you can use these three words as a main verb and also as a helping verb. फ्रेंड्स, इन तीनों वर्ड्स को आप एज अ मेन वर्ब भी यूज कर सकते हैं एंड एज अ हेल्पिंग वर्ब भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं. The second, let me show you the chart on the screen. So here you can see the chart. Then you will get to know which word you have to use with which subject. इस चार्ट से आपको पता चलेगा कौन सा वर्ड आपको किस सब्जेक्ट के साथ यूज करना है. So first you can see there is. So you have to use is with he, she, it and name. It means you have to use is with singular subject. Right? जब भी आप singular की बात करेंगे, so you have to use is there. Right? The second is am. Always you have to use am with I. I के साथ हमेशा am का use. And the last is are. You have to use are always with you, we and they. It means with plural subject. दो या दो से ज़्यादा के लोगों के बारे में जब हम बात करते हैं तो वहाँ पर आप are का यूज़ करेंगे. Alright? So I hope you have understood very well this chart. Now, so let's talk about the first use of is, am and are. Friends, we make simple sentences with is, am and are. Right? In this concept, we only talk about subject. We don't talk about any action. राइट किसी भी एक्शन के बारे में हम बात नहीं करते हैं, सिर्फ सब्जेक्ट के बारे में हम बात करते हैं. इन सेंटेंसेस के एंड में हमेशा है, हैं और हूँ आता है. Alright, now let me show you the formula on the screen. So here you can see the formula. First you have to write subject plus is oblique am oblique are. According to your subject you have to use these three words and plus noun या फिर adverb. Right? Now let me tell you some examples. The first example is मैं दिल्ली में हूँ. In this sentence, I'm talking about only subject. I'm not talking about any action. So you can say, I am in Delhi. I am in Delhi. I subject है, so you have to use here am with I, okay? And then your noun या फिर जो adverb है, वो आपको use करना है. So I am in Delhi. The next example is राम बीमार है. In this sentence, I'm talking about a singular person. Ram is a singular person, so you have to use is here. Okay, so you can say Ram is ill. Ram is ill. Let me give you another example. तुम खूबसूरत हो. Now in this sentence, I'm talking about second person. So with second person, you have to use here are. Okay, so you can say you are beautiful. You are beautiful. Alright? So I hope कि आपको फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छे से समझ आ गया है. Now let's talk about the second concept, that is present continuous tense. Okay, so friends, present continuous tense means if something is happening continuously by subject. अगर सब्जेक्ट के द्वारा कोई काम कंटिन्यू हो रहा है प्रेजेंट में तो आप वहाँ पर is, am, are का यूज करते हैं. इन सेंटेंसेस के एंड में रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं आता है. Okay, and I have already made video about tense, present continuous tense. So if you want to watch that video, so you can watch. यहाँ पर आप आई बटन में क्लिक करके देख सकते हैं उस वीडियो को. राइट, उस वीडियो में मैंने आपको डिटेल में समझाया है. So now let me show you the formula on the screen. So here you can see the formula. First you have to write subject plus is oblique am oblique are. Okay, is, am, are you have to use according to your subject. जैसे फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट में हमने बात की थी. प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ मेन वर्ब के साथ ing एंड प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑलराइट, नाउ लेट मी टेल यू सम एग्जांपल्स. द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज वह बाजार जा रही है. इन दिस सेंटेंस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अ सिंगुलर पर्सन. वह बाजार जा रही है. राइट, सो यू कैन से शी इज गोइंग टू द मार्केट. शी इज गोइंग टू द मार्केट. फर्स्ट you have to write subject. She is your subject plus is because we are talking about a singular person. Okay, तो is का यूज करना है plus ing form first form main verb के साथ going and then your object, right, to market. तो इस तरह से आप सेंटेंस बनाएंगे. The next example is वे बैडमिंटन खेल रहे हैं. In this sentence हम बात कर रहे हैं दो या दो से ज़्यादा लोगों की. So we have to use here are. So they are playing badminton. they are playing badminton. Right? The next example is मैं गाना गा रही हूँ. Now in this sentence I'm talking about myself, right? So I have to use here am with I. Okay? So you can say I'm singing a song. I am singing a song. Okay? So ये थे हमारा second concept के examples. So I hope कि आपको ये भी समझ आ गया है. Now let's talk about the third concept of is, am and are. Friends, in this concept जब भी आप sentences बोलते हैं, so उन sentences के end में हुआ है, हुए हैं या फिर हुई है आता है. Right? Like usually we use these kind of sentences कि दरवाज़ा खुला हुआ है या खिड़की खुली हुई है या फिर कुर्सी टूटी हुई है. So हुई है, हुआ है, हुए हैं. जब भी इस तरह से आपके sentences का end होते हैं तो आप वहाँ पर is am are का use करते हो. Right? Now let me show you the formula on the screen. So here you can see, first you have to write subject plus is oblique am oblique are. You have to use according to your subject these three words, right? जैसे हमने first और second concept में किया था, okay? And plus third form of main verb. यहाँ पर आपको third form of main verb का use करना है and plus object. Now let me tell you some examples. The first example is शीशा टूटा हुआ है. So आप कहेंगे the mirror is broken. The mirror is broken. Mirror is a singular thing, so I have to use is here, okay? And third form of main verb. So the mirror is subject, then is, and then third form of main verb. यहाँ पर कोई object नहीं है, so you can skip this, okay? The next example is यह नोट फटा हुआ है. So आप कहेंगे this note is torn. This note is torn, okay? So इस तरह से आप is, am and are का use करेंगे अपनी spoken English में, alright? Now what you need to do, you have to make lot of sentences about in these three words, right? तो ये आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा easy हो जाएगा and you can speak English fluently and confidently without stucking, alright? So friends, I hope कि आपको ये video पसंद आया. If you like this video, so hit like button and you can also share my video with your friends and with your family members. So thank you so much for watching this video.